All right, CES 2026, taking a look at Ecovacs. We got a whole bunch of different ways of pulling up dirt and grime from all around. So this is kind of interesting. This is actually robotic lawnmowers. They got kind of more of a demo off to my right, but we can just take a look at them right here. We've got the 01,000 LiDAR Pro and the A2000 LiDAR Pro. Very small and compact, which is excellent. And over here we got the A3000 LiDAR Pro. At least we got some information on the actual grid that this thing can mow on. You need quite a bit of torque to be able to pull up that. I wonder what we'll do on a rainy day. We're at the Ecovacs Robotics. These are the robotic vacuums. Tell me about these, please.
Yeah, so the Ecovacs X12 Omnicyclone, we're excited to announce a new feature here that's got the focus jet spray. And so this is able to detect stains, and when it sees the stains, it'll shoot out a pressurized spray of cleaning solution and water to dissolve the stain before rolling over it with the roller mop.
So is this a solution? Can it work with any solution? Do we have a specific solution?
Yeah, there's a Ecovacs solution that we recommend. It's because we've tested it with our machines and we know it works best.
Right. Okay, that is pretty impressive, actually. I like that one a lot. I have seen the ones that kind of just drag around a mop behind them. It always just seemed like a little awkward and maybe not very thorough. That actually looks a lot better.
Yeah, the roller mop solution is really the ideal solution because there's actually a clean and dirty water tank in here. Okay. So every time it's spinning, it's actually removing the dirty water and refreshing it with clean water. So we're introducing two new products, the C1 and the P1 robotic pool cleaners.
And what's the difference between the two?
Just to start off, both of them are designed to really tackle the pool and cover all surfaces. That's been one of the main pain points in this category, is just having a cleaner that can provide full coverage, avoid obstacles, and do a thorough job.
Is this capable of wall climbing?
Yeah, so it's able to do surfaces, bottom surfaces, walls, cover above the water line, slopes, steps as well.
Okay. Is there a range for this, essentially? Is there a total size for a pool? Could we do an Olympic-sized swimming pool with these, for example?
Oh yeah, so there's some limitations. These are more for residential homes. So this one is ideal for larger pools, and then the smaller one is ideal for smaller pools.
Okay, great. That would be, if I had a pool, I would definitely go for one of those things. That looks awesome. So this is going to just immediately map the lawn and then it's going to know it, or it's going to map it every time that it mows?
Yeah, it is going to adjust every time, but right out of the box it will create that first snap, and then from there it'll start to do the mowing.
So I see that this guy is on a grade. Is this the type of grade that we can expect this to operate on?
Yeah, about 25 degrees.
25 degrees is pretty impressive for one of these things. Is this designed to operate on a schedule, or is this one of those things where once a week you just pull the guy out and hit the start button?
Yeah, you can definitely start it whenever you want. You can also use the app to schedule it and set it up for a time that's convenient for you.
Right.
This combines it with a lot more two in one product.
I haven't even seen that on a regular lawnmower. So yeah, we got a lawnmower and a weed whacker all in one.
Yes, that's right. Yep.
That's incredible. So that is with all three models, or just the 3000?
It is with all three models, yes.
That's great, man. I love this thing. Okay, thank you very much, TC.
Yeah, thank you.